Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Chiasma, traded at NASDAQ, ticker name CHMA. Well, CHMA is a stock that is showing indeed very interesting Z-like formation of recovery sequence. Started at 16-17 of May, as many stocks of the after COVID era now, we can call it era. So we can see here that the price went really up those days until actually 20th of June, and then we saw really a downwards formation here, and then another trend is now starting. It's a positive uptrend. So this way we see like a Z-like formation, and now the question is where the stock is going further. What's the situation, what we can expect? Well, here we can clearly see it's like three lines. We saw like trend 1 line, trend 2 line for going down, and trend 3 line is a current uptrend. And if we see the trend 1 line, indeed it was like after COVID, falling very nicely with several waves, sometimes using moving average 20 and 200 here as additional support, and then actually breaking off the trend, going really down almost to the pre-COVID condition of these levels, and then nicely starting the recovery behavior again. And then we saw again it was going wavy using moving average 20 now was first resist now, and then additional support, and now we see like new wave is in the middle. So the question is, the wave started actually kind of 5th of September. So the question is, what is going further? Where is it going further? And in that sense, you need to understand other trends here. First of all, it's moving averages behavior. So moving averages here are depicted in three colors. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200, being correspondingly green, blue, and red lines. And here you can see what happened actually when the trend was breaking from T1 to T2. The moving average 20 decelerated, went down, and about 8th of July it has shown here dark magic cross down, or negative magic cross. And now we see that at the beginning of September we formed actually a positive magic cross when the moving average 20 hit from the bottom upwards moving average 50. Then we saw similar magic cross at the beginning of new wave when moving average 20 hit the moving average 200, the red line. Now what we see is actually it's a continuation of upwards movement of moving average 20. Here you don't see it, but we can imagine it continue. It's a green line which goes straight, so its first derivative is positive as well as the function itself. Also here we see moving average 50 is fastly turning also upwards, meaning it's not only function is going positive, but also its first and second derivatives are going up, meaning it goes with acceleration. So most probably we will not see another magic cross down, but we will see both moving averages going up for some long time. So the condition will resemble most probably the situation that took place in April-May, when here the moving average 20 was going upwards after the magic cross up here actually, and then moving average 50 followed it up. And seems like this formation is being formed here. Still, of course, it's not fully started, so some volatility can be expected between the current price level, which is about 550, and actually moving average 200, so let's say 5. Still here you can see some, let's draw it like this, some volatility oscillations, but it's just it's no problem. It's just a very interesting option to buy. So this really opens a window to buy for these days. Everything below current price and actually moving average 50, when you can say this is the currently buy call, and then all indicators say that it should go higher. And then another of indicators also confirm this statement is actually development of RSI. It's really going positive towards overbought situation. Here also, if you look at MACD behavior, it's going with waves, though not clearly forming positive formation, but it's wavy, and now it's stabilized, so we can still expect another positive wavy. In this case, in this sense, you can say that MACD is not really decisive here. but RSI is very strong and moving averages behavior momentum. Actually, this case, this chart combination is called momentum. Momentum is very strong here. And what you can see that the nearest resist lines are also quite high. So you can see some volatility point on these levels, which is about 6. So it's already quite high. You can say plus 10%. And some real resist lines will begin actually in the area of about 650 plus. So in that sense, there is still a lot of room to go up, as I said, with a given volatility in the blue circle area. And then you can make your trade and either until S1, or if you want to take further risk, then until S2. We are already in position, so we will also be buying extra in the blue circle and then playing until somewhere between S1 and S2 without going too much in extremes. So in that sense, CHMA is interesting stock for momentum trade. For longer term period, it's not completely clear whether it really go much higher the previous top maximum, which was about 750 plus, or maybe it will go another wave down. Not really clear, but also we're not aiming to those areas. We will see later momentarily how it will develop. For the moment, we play from blue circle towards between S1, S2 lines. And then we will see what's going further. So that's it for CHMA. Very interesting momentum. So we bought it. You can also follow us and do the same. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new opportunities for US-based stocks, where we discuss both momentum stocks, but also like plus 3-4 weeks time expectations to buy in stocks. So this way you can do either short-term or mid-term trading strategies. Thank you.